A deeply spiritual and blessed moment unfolded as beloved Imam shared his special message with the Canadian Jamat. A message filled with guidance, compassion, and divine wisdom. The Imam gently reminded the Jamat that they belong to one faith, one united Jamat. He emphasized the importance of caring for one another, supporting each other, and living with unity. For in his eyes, every member of the Jamat is equal. He encouraged everyone to seek help from one another and to extend kindness, generosity, and compassion in all interactions. This, he reminded, is the true essence of unity. As a symbol of his love and blessings, the Imam granted a special gift to every murid, a Tasbih. This Tasbih is not just a gift, but a reminder of the spiritual bond with the Imam. Each time it is held in the hands and the words Alhamdu, lillahi are recited, it should fill the heart with peace, nur, and spiritual light. The Imam also bestowed his blessings upon the Jamat for spiritual elevation, for purification of the soul, for unity within the Jamat, and for success in all noble work and service. He especially remembered the volunteers who dedicated their time and efforts in preparing for this blessed visit. And he gave blessings to all those who served their families, the Jamat, and the wider society. Prayers were also granted for good health, physical, emotional, and mental well-being, for unity within families, and for the removal of all difficulties, mushkil asan. In his message, the Imam gave special importance to those who serve others, reminding that such individuals are especially close to him. He encouraged them to remain steadfast on the Sirat al-Mustaqim, the straight path, and to live lives guided by ethics, purpose, and faith. At the same time, the Imam expressed concern that there are individuals creating division within the Jamat. He warned against actions such as backbiting, betrayal, and taking advantage of others, urging everyone to remain sincere, honest, and united. And finally, with deep love and reassurance, the Imam said, "I am always with my Jamat, and my Jamat is always in my heart." He concluded his message with Kanavadan, blessings for all.